Hi, my name is Maverick Jason B. Mocal. I'm just 18 years old and I live at Parañaque City. I took my Bachelor of Science in Information Technology by my choice and to gain knowledge as a programmer. Through that, I'm willing to push my limits to impress my co-students and co-workers. I am hardworking and if you hire me, I'm a reliable person. You can trust me anytime, anywhere, in any situation. I excel my skills at Microsoft Office, computer programming, and also computer hardware. My background at my programming languages are Java and C#. C# is my best language with MS Access database. If you are impressed and interested with my skills in your field, you can contact me with this email address in the next slide, including my linked account. Thank you for watching my video.